Okay, so that's the first thing from Pick Up the Pieces by Average White Band. We've got this C7 sharp 9 chord. This inversion of it is a 10 on the D, then a 9, then 11, and 11. And we're just going 1 E-ana, 2 E-ana, 3 E-ana, 4 E-ana for 4 bars. Okay, so let's try that. 2, 3, 4. And to help mute that, I've got my thumb touching the big E string, and I've got this middle finger touching the A string, just enough to mute those two so I only hear what I want to hear there. Okay, then there's a second guitar part that's basically doing the same thing, but it's like maybe just these bottom, kind of the top of the chord. These lower strings down here, 9, 11, 11. We're going to go. Okay, that goes with that other chord that's just strumming straight through. So we have down, up, down, up, down, down, up. And that's our pattern there. So 3, 4. Okay, then we get into the riff. So once this riff gets going, it's going to have this pickup phrase coming into it each time to get into that first note. But the first time it happens, and maybe a couple times in the song, it starts just with that one. So that's an F note, 8th fret, A string, 5, 6 on the D string, so it's 8, 6, back to that F note. We got the big string, 8th fret, 6, 7, 8 into that F there on the A string. So it's. So see, every other time it just has that 6 there, it doesn't go back to the F. So again, it's 3, 4. Then every now and again you'll get. So that was an 8 on the G string, to the 6 on the D, back to your F. So it'll be 3, 4. Okay, so that's our main kind of figure, they call that. And then they call the strumming stuff like a stroke. There's a stroke and a figure in funk music, right? Okay, so what we have for our stroking, our chord here, this is going to be an F minor 7. Now this is going to be an 8 on the A string, then a 10, then an 8, then a 9, then an 11 down here on the bottom. And it kind of sounds like a F7 sharp 9, but when you listen to it, it kind of does sound like it has that more of a minor 7 vibe with that 11 high note on top. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go. So down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. And that's our pattern. So 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that was 8 times through that. Then we're going to pop into this B flat 9 chord, B flat 7, 9, 13, 12, 13, 13, 13. We've got that one finger. This is that funk chord, like a I Feel Good kind of James Brown chord. So you want to get that finger getting all 3 of those down there. Takes a little getting used to get this finger tall enough to still hear that one there. But we're going to have the same strum pattern. Do that twice, and we go back to the other chord, the F minor 7. Okay, so that was kind of like what I'm calling a verse form. So it was 8 of the first chord, 2 sets of this higher chord, and then 4 more of this lower one. And that gets us to the 14 times that we did that other riff. Okay, so obviously you're kind of changing that one little note every now and again, but it still has that 14 times to go all the way through. Okay, so that's our basic verse form. Then that whole form will repeat again. So we're going to go through all those same things. And when we finish that last time, we have 4 of these. Okay, then we're going to go to all 13s on these bottom 5 strings. Okay, so that was 3 bars of straight up 1 Eana, 2 Eana, 3 Eana, 4 Eana. And then the 4th bar is 1 Eana, 2 Eana, 3 Eana into our intro chord, that C raised 9 thing. So let's try that. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, then we'd be back into like a new verse. And of course that goes along with. Okay, I would do like 8 of those and then I'd go to that higher chord. Then back to the F minor 7 for 4 more. 2, 3, 4. Okay, when the one chord is doing all these 13s, there's a second guitar going. Right, it's got to match up on that one. So there's just like a bump, 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 bump. It ends up being about 5 fitting into that space, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then we're going to get into a bridge where we're back to this chord up here, this B flat 7, 9. And we're going to go the same strum we used before, but we have a new riff down here, a new figure. We got. Okay, so it's 3, 4, 6, and then 4, 5 on the A, so it's like 1, 2 E, and that's 8, 8, 7, 7, 6, 6 on the D. So we got 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. And like I say, that's happening with. And that actually goes 6 times. And then we'd be back into a verse, but we're going to have that pickup. And then when it switches chords, you still keep playing the same thing. All right, so let's go back through some of those parts again. We had the beginning part where we're doing straight up 1 Eana, 2 Eana, 3 Eana, 4 Eana on this 10, 9, 11, 11 chord. Let's try that. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then the other part was like the 9, 11, 11, where it was like. Let's try that one. 2, 3, 4. Okay, and let's try this figure. 2, nice and slow. 2, 3, 4. Okay, then we have our strum on the F minor 7. We have, let's try that. 2, 3, 4. Let's try the same strum on this B flat 9. 3, 4. It would go back to the F at that point. And then we have our 13s, all these 13s here. So this would be like a B flat 11, 9 kind of thing. 7, 9, 11, all going on in there. Because your 11 is like your 4 note. Okay, so let's try this. We got 1 Eana, 2 Eana, 3 Eana, 4 Eana. We got 3 bars of that. The third bar, we got 1 Eana, 2 Eana, 3 Eana. Back to our intro chord. So here we go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. Okay, then we got that one riff. We got. Let's try that. 2, 3, and 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. That's how it pops back into that one. Okay, then we have the 13ths, then we have the. Also going along with that.